SpongeBob Comics Treasure Chest. Yacht to know. Great. My old rival from high school, Squilliam Fancy Son. That reminds me of something a famous person once told me. Hey Squidward, look! I can fit SpongeBob in my mouth! Hi Squidward! Huh? Shh! Not so loud! Maybe we'll be lucky and he won't see us. We? I don't understand your use of pronouns. Well, Squidward, who knew I'd run into you again? You're looking good. Not. So, what rock did these guys crawl from under? I don't know about these guys, but I'm from that one. Thank you. Oh, I'm just kidding. Since we're old classmates, I'm going to invite you to the christening party of my new yacht. And bring your loser friends. Friends? These loser friends happen to be my chauffeur and butler. We are? What's a loser? Maybe I misjudged you. Shh. This will be the last time I ask you to help me one-up Squilliam. Later, I'll have to work quadruple shifts and work 150 hours to pay for this limo. But it'll be worth every penny. I bet I can pop a wheelie in this. Not now, Patrick. Patrick, you have to check out this TV. It gets 300 channels. Ooh, let me see. Does it get Mermaid Man? Gah! Hey, watch the road. Oh, roads are overrated. Wow, there's Squilliam's yacht. Ooh, fancy. Wow, look at all the people. I wonder how many of them I can fit into my mouth. Don't embarrass me. Here's your name tag, sir. Squidward, nice of you to come. Yummy! Horse stoovers! Huh? Ooh, what does this thing do? Don't touch that. I've never seen a TV so big before. Maybe they make TVs big now so regular people can fit inside them. I don't know these guys. They're not with me. Oh, I ate too much. I think I'm going to be sick. Don't do it over the railing. I think that's what those glasses are for. You know what? I'm in the mood to play golf. We'll have to impro-civilize. Let's use this rock and this guy's cane. What? Oh, I can't walk. 4. You'll hit my window. Oh, you've got other ones. I'm bored with golf, SpongeBob. Let's have a pillow fight. Those aren't pillows. They're furniture. Same thing. Whee! I can't get these off, so we can play ring toss. Well, Squidward, I guess you're of the common folk after all. Hey, Patrick! Squidward! I can see all of Bikini Bottom from up here! What are you doing up there? You'll hurt yourself, you idiot! And my boat!
I bet I can do a triple somersault and land in the water, using this 200-pound anchor to help me fall straight.
Ah! Smash. And so... My yacht! My beautiful yacht! My great-grandfather worked very hard for the money I inherited to buy this yacht. Squidward, you'll pay for this.
Oh, what happened?
Calm down. The ship was built cruddy anyway. You can get another one. Besides, Squilliam, there are good ships and wooden ships. But there's one ship Squidward has that you don't. Friendship? Is that what you were going to say? That's an old joke. Even for friends of Squidward. Friendship? Oh, please! Actually, I was going to say this ship, but I guess what you said works too. Oh. Facial hair flare.
Ooh.